Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have materials ready: F AI Ptasia, syringe, gloves, and a stable reef tank. First, isolate the target anemone visually and plan an approach path that avoids corals. Put on gloves, load 1-2 ml of F AI Ptasia into the syringe. Sink to the target slowly to avoid stressing neighbors. Once the tip touches the Aiptasia mouth, eject the dose steadily and withdraw. Wait 1 hour to observe retraction and tissue response. Make sure no product drifts onto corals. If multiple specimens exist, mark treated spots and repeat after 24 hours as needed. You now monitor effects and perform follow-up care. Over the next 48 hours, check for tissue necrosis, detachment, or spreading irritation. Photograph progress to compare. If nearby corals show whitening, perform immediate water changes and run activated carbon to remove residues. For stubborn Aiptasia, retreat with a slightly higher volume, no more than 0.5 ml extra per spot, waiting 24 hours between doses. Once the pest shrinks and detaches, remove remnants with tweezers and clean tools with fresh water to avoid cross-contamination. Log date, dose, and photo. Finish by removing all visible Aiptasia tissue and stabilizing tank chemistry. Once detachment occurs, gently siphon or pluck fragments with a hook tool, minimizing sand disturbance. Perform a 10-20% water change, test for alkalinity and nitrate, and adjust slowly to normal ranges. Rapid swings stress livestock. If Aiptasia returns repeatedly, apply a different control method or introduce natural predators carefully. Troubleshooting tip: if corals bleach or dip in pH occurs, stop treatment, perform large water changes, and quarantine affected corals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.